Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you about the Kesavananda Bharati case, the most important judgment in the Indian constitution, and hope that you all are doing really great. And without any further delay, let's get started. So Kesavananda Bharati case 1973, there are few points regarding this case which I think you have to know. The first point is that the Kesavananda challenged the Kerala land reform legislation in 1970, which imposed a restriction on the management of the religious property. The second point is that the case was challenged under Article 26, concern the right to manage religiously owned property without government interference. And the third point, that 13 judges bench was set up to by the Supreme Court to hear this case. These are the points. The Kesavananda Bharati case, in this case, the Supreme Court overruled the judgment, which was in the Golaknath case. It upheld the validity of the 24th Constitutional Amendment and stated that Parliament is empowered to abridge or take away any of the fundamental rights. 24th Constitutional Amendment is that it affirmed the power of Parliament to amend any part of the Constitution, including fundamental right. But like in Golaknath case versus State of Punjab, the Supreme Court adopted a new vision to see power of Parliament, that it cannot amend the part third of the Constitution, that is fundamental right, and thus awarded the fundamental right a transcendental position. Whereas in the Kesavananda Bharati case, he ruled that the constituent power of Parliament under Article 368 does not enable it to alter the basic structure of the Constitution, but it can amend any part of the Constitution. The judgment was of Kesavananda Bharati case is that which means that the Parliament can abridge, take away a fundamental right that form a part of the basic structure of the Constitution, but it cannot change. It can change any part of the Constitution. Parliament has the power, but it cannot change the basic structure of the Constitution. So this judgment was passed on 24th of April 1973. So the constitutional bench in Kesavananda Bharati case ruled by 7-6 verdict that Parliament could amend any part of the Constitution so long as it not alter or amend the basic structure of the Constitution. The basic structure include the supremacy of Constitution, the rule of law, the independence of judiciary, the doctrine of separation of power, sovereign democratic and republic, the parliamentary system of government, the principle of free and fair election. These are the basic structure of the Constitution. So the Kesavananda Bharati case given a landmark decision in the Indian history, in the Constitution of India, that Parliament has the power, it can amend any part of the Constitution until and unless it cannot amend the basic structure of the Constitution. So this is the